In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Starbucks gift card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser. Then we need to head on over to starbucks.com. This is the official website for Starbucks. Now from here, you want to click on the three horizontal lines to access the menu. And then once this pop-up appears, go ahead and click onto gift cards. And now once the page loads, under gift cards, go ahead and click on see all, and you'll be able to see all the different type of gift cards you can get. So at the moment we can see you've got 2025 gift cards, happy Valentine's Day, happy birthday, thank you gift cards, some random ones here. So you just choose which one you want to grab. So I'm just going to grab the 2025 one. And now from here it says create e-gift. So if we scroll down, we can click on select gift amount, click on the drop down button. We've got 10, 25, 50, 100 or a custom amount. So if I want to give 50, I'm going to click 50. And then from here it says who are you gifting it to. So I'm going to gift it to myself for this demonstration. And that's my email. And you can also add up to 10 recipients. So if you're a company or small business, you can add in more recipients to receive that gift card. Also the personal note, which is optional. You can leave a message if you want. Scroll down and they put from sender's name, sender's email, and then keep scrolling down and then click on checkout for 50. And then to buy a gift card, choose from the options below. So we can either sign in or we can continue as a guest for this demonstration. I'm just going to continue as a guest. And then from here, make sure to double check all recipients' emails before buying, because you don't want to send it to the wrong email. And then go ahead and click on the drop down menu for add payment. And then click continue to purchase your gift card or gift cards.